Hi guys, it's me, myself, Miss Ali Malar. Okay, I'm gonna teach you what is sine, cos, and tangent. So this is all. This is only on basics of sine, cos, and tangent. Okay, so now this is the part of the important rules that you should know to learn on three things here. Okay, now so this is the important rules. Just now you saw, Okay, now guys, look here. Look at this one, guys. In this basic sine cos tangent, okay, this information is actually related to our Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so I have inserted a link in the description below for you to learn specifically on Pythagoras theorem. Okay, you may watch that video before that, or after you watch this video you can just go back to that video to watch it again. Okay, now first thing, right angle. Now you look here. Now this is a right angle, correct? Now guys, okay, there will be three things here: hypotenuse, adjacent, opposite. Now always remember the longer side of the right angle triangle. This is the longer side, correct? The longer side of the right angle triangle is named as hypotenuse. Okay, is named as hypotenuse. Why this is adjacent? You might ask me, teacher, this is adjacent or this is opposite. Will the name change? Okay, the name might switch. Maybe opposite will come here, adjacent will go here. Do you know how it goes? Okay, you have to imagine yourself being here. Now if you are standing here, okay, this is the right angle, right? Okay, if you're standing here, this is the hypotenuse, this is the adjacent. See, you are standing here, this line will be your adjacent, this line is the opposite. But how if you are standing here? Imagine you are standing here. Okay, this, what is the opposite? Now you are standing here, this line should be the opposite of you, right? So this is opposite. Since this is the longest line, this remains hypotenuse. Okay, the name, guys, make sure you understand one thing. Hypotenuse will always be here. This line won't become hypotenuse in different cases. In all the cases, only this longer line will be the hypotenuse. Okay, so if you're standing here, the opposite is the opposite line is opposite. Okay, this will be the adjacent. But how if you're standing here? Your view, if you are standing here, this line is the opposite, is it? If you are standing here, what is this line? This line will become adjacent because you are standing here, your eyes are looking here, which means this line will be the opposite. Okay, if you are standing here, the opposite line is this, so this is the opposite, this will be your adjacent. Okay, hypotenuse remains in the place. Clear? Okay, now these three rules, guys, this is the very famous rules we always learn in school, and I think that we are learning this worldwide, So ka tua. Okay, so ka tua. Why so? Okay, the front letter, capital letter S, stands for sine. Okay, you can say SIN. Okay, the full name is SINE. Okay, now this S stands for sine. This O and H stands for opposite divide hypotenuse. Okay, sine equals to opposite divide hypotenuse. Okay, this is the fixed formula. Please don't go and change the formula. Don't put, never ever like change like sine equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. No such thing. It's so, not sa. Okay, now so done. Now ka. What is ka? C, cos. The short form is cos. The full name is cosine. COSINE. Okay, cosine is the full name, cos is the short name. Now C stands for cos. How about A and H? A, adjacent, divide hypotenuse. Okay, now this one, tangent. Guys, tangent is the full name, TANGENT. Tan is the short name. Okay, the formula is TOA. T-O-A. T stands for tangent. O-A. Opposite over adjacent. Okay. Never ever change the formula. These formulas are the fixed formula. Clear? Okay. Now look at the example question. Now this is the example question here. Okay. So I just put a right angle triangle here. Now guys, when you look at the right angle triangle, where is the right angle? Of course, here. Am I right? This is the right angle triangle. Okay. Now, so the question is asking you to find x and y. So you have to find x and y. Both also. Okay. Which one you want to find first? Okay. Let's find y. Okay. Then we find x. Now y. Okay. Now let's find y. You have the angle here. 39 degree. Okay. 39 degree. Now imagine this is your eyes. Can you see the red line? Okay, you have a red eyes. Okay, you're standing here. You're looking at this line. You need to find this line. If you're standing here, this is your eyes. What this line will be for you? Is it adjacent or hypotenuse? No, opposite. So y will be your opposite. Okay? Oh, y will be your opposite. You need to find opposite. Now go back to the formulas here. Those formulas that don't have opposite, cut it off. We are not going to take into consideration. You need to find opposite. So do you have opposite here? Yes. Do you have opposite here? Yes. Do you have opposite here? Cos? No. So you cannot use cos. Cut it off. Can? Is it clear? Okay. Now, so we have options sine and tangent only. Okay. Now, you need to find O. If you want to use tangent, you need to know your adjacent. This is your adjacent. Do you know the value of adjacent? Don't know. So cancel tangent. Cosine cancel just now. Tangent cancel. Now you have sine. Opposite over hypotenuse. If you're standing here, this line is your opposite, which you need to find. Opposite over hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. Do you know the value of your hypotenuse? Yes, 15. So very easy. You choose so, which is sine. Okay. Now look at this one. Sine. So what you should do is you just write this sine, this angle. Must write this angle. Sine 39 degree equals to. Look at the formula of the sine again. Opposite over hypotenuse. So if you're standing here, the opposite is y. So y, you already put y here. Over hypotenuse. What is your hypotenuse? 15. So y over 15. See? Y cm over 15 cm. Okay. Now, how you get? We suddenly got 0.62. Uh-oh. How you get that? Very simple. Use your calculator. Just press sine 39. Just press sine 39. You will get this value. 0.62. Just take 0.62. Of course, you will have more numbers at the back. Of course, you cannot write all the numbers, right? Okay. Always for the safe side, take 2 numbers after the decimal point. Okay. It will be more accurate. Don't worry about it. 0.62. Okay. How we get 0.62? You need to take your calculator, press sine 39. You will get 0.62. Now, guys, if you want to find something here, what you should do? Of course, you need to take this value, you multiply with this value, correct? Sine 39, this value, you must times with 15, right? We want to find on top. Of course, yes. So, sine 39 is 0.62 times with 15. Okay? So, 0.62, if you times with 15, you will get 9.3 cm. Okay? For easy, you can just write the approximate answer. Round off 9.3, you will get 9.0, which is 9 centimeter. So this is the value of y. Y is 9 cm. Done? Easy? Okay. Now, look at this one. You need to find x. X. Okay, imagine you're standing here. This is your eye. For your view, this line is it opposite? No, adjacent. This line is adjacent. Okay, so you need to find adjacent. You already have the value of hypotenuse. Since you found this value, you already have the value of opposite. I didn't choose this value. Just what I did, I chose this one, adjacent. This is adjacent over hypotenuse. Where is adjacent over hypotenuse? Here. Cos. So I chose cos. So just put here cos, same angle, 39 equals to, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, right? So the adjacent is x cm over, this is hypotenuse, 15 centimeter, x cm over 15 cm. So now what you should do is same method. You want to find something on top. What you will do? Of course, you will take this value, okay, times with 15 here, correct? So use your calculator, press cos 39. That's all. You will get 0.77. Of course, you will get more numbers, but for the safe side, please stick 2 numbers after the decimal point. So you will have 0.77 times with 15. After you times that, you will get 11.55 centimeter. So please round off, okay, make your life easier. Please round off 11.55. You will get 12 centimeter. So what is the value of x? 12 centimeter. What is the value of y just now? 9 centimeter. Clear? Okay. Now this one. This is the same type of question, but now in this case, you need to find the angle. How to find the angle? You have the measurement. Hypotenuse is 15. Opposite is 11 cm. How about angle? You don't even know what angle is this. So you need to find it. Okay. Very simple. Okay. Just now we found the measurement based on the angle. Now we are going to find the angle based on the measurement. It's just the opposite. Okay, still you need your calculator with you. So make sure you have your calculator with you. Okay, now sine x. Okay, just take that sine x. Do you know why I use sine? Okay, now you are standing here. You have information of, guys, what line is this? If you're standing here, for your view, this line is opposite. O. Okay? This is H. OH. So, of course, so, right? Opposite over hypotenuse. So, of course, you cannot choose cos. Cos is like, so, ka. Ka means cos equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent means you need to know this value. How to find this value? You can find this value. You need to do a Pythagoras theorem method to find this. Then only you can use cos. But I think it's just a waste of time. Instead, you can just use this method. So opposite over hypotenuse. So right here, sine x equals to, what is opposite? If you're standing here, what is opposite? 11. Hypotenuse? 15. So you take 11 cm, divide 15. Okay. Now what you should do is, since you are finding x, okay, just put x here. X including the degree sign. Just put x here equals to this sine. Okay. Before the equal sign is just sine. Since you are moving after the equal sign, this sign will become sine -1. How to get this -1? Okay, what you should do is, you have to take your calculator. You must press shift and then you press sine. You will get sine -1. Okay, I'm repeating. Press shift and then press sine. Okay, you will get sine -1. And then how you get this 0.73? Very simple. 11 divide 15. Okay, 11 divide 15. You will get 0.73. Now what you should do is, just now you press shift and then sine, correct? So in your calculator, it appears sine -1. Am I right? After that, don't press any symbol. Just straight away press 0.73. Straight away press that. You will get 46.8. Okay, you will get 46.8 degree. But you have point form. We don't want point form here. So round off. 46.8 degree will become 47 degree. So what is the angle of x here? 47 degree. Clear? Do you understand? Okay. If not, please replay this video. Okay. Alright guys, thank you very much. Okay, thank you for viewing this video. Okay, I hope this video really helps a lot. Now this is my Vinma tutor. This is my home tuition. I have home tuition which is called private tuition at the same time. Okay, I have online tuition also. Okay, please contact me, Miss Ali Malar, at 0.6 0.6, oh sorry, oh sorry, 016 65 12 65 4. Always remember, maths and science or any subject is not going to be easy, but it's going to be worth it in future. Can? Okay? So please subscribe my channel. Please share this video. Please comment. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Okay? Bye guys.